6,000 feet. Flash flood warning for the following county: San Bernardino, California. The National Weather Service in Las Vegas has issued a flash flood warning for San Bernardino County in Southern California until 4:30 p.m. PDT. At 1:25 p.m. PDT, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across eastern San Bernardino north of Interstate 15 by Mountain Pass. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source: radar. Impact: life-threatening flash flooding of low water crossings, creeks, normally dry washes and roads. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Mountain Pass, Kingston Road, and Excelsior Mine Road.